Past life regression sketch and reading reviews. A past life regression sketch and reading is a brand new online service that Psychic Sonia has introduced. For $19, Sonia will deliver an online reading and sketch that will help you understand your past lives. Within 12 to 48 hours of placing an online order, you will receive a digital sketch of how you appeared in a previous life along with a thorough explanation of who you were. What are the past life regression sketch and reading by Psychic Sonia? Through PastLifeSketch.com, a psychic by the name of Sonia is providing a past life regression sketch and reading online. You can get a reading from Psychic Sonia after responding to a few straightforward questions about yourself. Psychic Sonia, who has been dubbed a master of past lives, has a track record of using her gifts to make sense of your past. Do you believe that you have lived other lives? Do you wish to learn everything there is to know about your former life? Do you wish to discover your previous name, occupation, background, and tale? With a thorough past life reading and sketch, Psychic Sonia can help you understand your past, make sense of your present and future, and learn everything there is to know about your previous life. How past life regression sketch and reading by Psychic Sonia works. The straightforward, 4-step process for Psychic Sonia's past life regression sketch and reading is available online. Step 1. Place your order for your portrait and reading on PastLifeSketch.com right away. Step 2. Give Sonia 3 essential pieces of information, such as your given name, place of birth, and birth date, to help her connect with the energy of your previous reincarnation. Step 3. Sonia creates a portrait of you and gives a reading. Sonia will delve deeply into your past, carry out a thorough reading, and create a portrait of your past life within 12 to 48 hours of receiving your online order for a sketch and reading. Step 4. You get a detailed psychic reading explaining past information about your relationships, health, wealth, career, personality, and more in your email inbox along with a scanned, digital sketch. Once the process is complete, you can discover who you were and continue living your life with the knowledge of your past life that you require to realize your full potential. Readings can help some people release themselves from previous relationships by resetting their karmic relationships and restoring their karmic equilibrium. Before making a significant decision, some people read to gain perspective. Some people use reading to figure themselves out. Some people just get a reading out of curiosity. Advantages of Psychic Past Life Regression Sketch and Reading for Sonia. Benefits of ordering a past life regression sketch and reading include: recognize your prior existence. Remove stuck energy and low vibration energy. Remove karmic obstacles and rebalance karmic relationships. Please assist you in reaching your full potential now. Enables you to refrain from making the same errors time and time again. Embrace your past while revealing important life lessons for the present and the future. You can gain important insight into your past with just a few easy steps, then use that insight to make wise choices about your future. Why get a reading and past life regression sketch? People use Psychic Sonia's past life regression sketch and reading to, among other things, discover their strengths and weaknesses, heal mental and emotional wounds, and begin living fully in the present. The benefits of ordering Psychic Sonia's past life regression sketch and reading right away include the following. Make sense of your past, learn about your past lives and get a general idea of who you were then. Along with a reading outlining all important details about your past life, Psychic Sonia provides a drawing depicting how you appeared in a previous life. You were who? Where were you residing? What did you do for a living? Had you ever been wed? You died, but how? How did you appear? Through her past life regression sketch and reading, Psychic Sonia can respond to all of these queries and more.